The cold wind affects the skin without being felt. How to keep the skin well. Coconut oil. Teaspoon. Coconut oil for skin has been known to help reduce dark spots, soothe facial redness, and help to fix an uneven skin tone. As one of the benefits of coconut oil for skin is that it helps to increase the natural production of collagen. This helps to improve skin elasticity for firmer skin. The smell of winter in the air. Even before the arrival of winter, the skin begins to dry. People with dry skin suffer the most. It penetrates deeply, nourishing dry skin and leaving it soft and supple. Vitamin E. Applying vitamin E capsules and coconut oil together on the face keeps the skin moisturized. Also keeps the skin moist. Vitamin E capsules and coconut oil can be helpful in dry skincare. Both these ingredients give the best results in skincare. Vitamin E is also highly effective in stabilizing the skin's barrier and minimizing hyperpigmentation. Few drops glycerin. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. Mix well. It's also an emollient, which means it can soften skin. Glycerin uses for glowing skin and lustrous hair. Glycerin also has antimicrobial properties, which means it can protect the skin from harmful microorganisms. Glycerin gives the skin a refreshed look and aids in moisturization by drawing water from the deeper levels of the skin towards. A mixture of vitamin E and coconut oil will increase blood circulation in the skin. By using it, you can avoid dry skin problems. By using vitamin E capsules and coconut oil together, you can get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, blemishes on the skin. Even if the skin is not dry, the skin feels tight in cold weather. Also, the skin loses moisture, due to which the skin problem increases. Coconut oil can help reduce itching as it hydrates and nourishes your skin. Vitamin E repairs your skin and reduces inflammation. Softer skin with the help of vitamin E, cap, and glycerin. It's soothing and has also been shown to decrease skin wrinkle volume, making it a great anti-aging option. Powerful antioxidant properties. Wash your face thoroughly before going to sleep at night. Apply this mixture on the face and massage with light hands for 20 minutes. Sleep like this. Wash your face the next morning.